What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video I got a pretty unique product. This is Cup Boom or Kaboom, whatever you wanna call it. I've been waiting on this product for over a year. They came out on a Kickstarter first, but they started to sell them for everybody. So I went on their website. I think that's the only place you can buy it right now. I think you just search it, cupboom.com, and you'll get this metal bottle right here. And in the back of it, it explains you how to use it. So very simple instruction. You can use it with soda, with any kind of bottle drink. So I have here pretty awesome drinks right here. So, and I think you're just supposed to slide it and put it like that, and then just push it down here. Woo! Is it flying back down? That cup just disappeared. That is epic. Did you hear that? Wow, that is awesome. Anyways, let's try this again. I got here mustard soda. So let's try to pop it. And this is how easy it is to put it in. You put it into between of the bottle and the cup, and then it rests like that. And then you just... This is so awesome. I think I hit it over there, but that shoots it off so far away. This is works even with twist stoves. You can boringly open it as a twist, or you can kaboom and kick the bottle cap over like very high. Well, I got here orange dressing soda. Let's try this one more time. I heard it hitting way over there. Whoa, fumble. But anyways, such a unique can opener, don't you think? This is my favorite. I'm gonna do this one more time. I got Fanta over here. Let's see how far it's going to fly. Oh, no way, it popped it, but I hit it with my fingers, so the cup didn't fly far. But still, very strange way and unique way to open bottles, don't you guys think? Definitely thumbs up for me.